Hey guys, Eric here. Thanks again as always for watching. Today we're going to share a little bit of information about Google My Business and how you can take advantage of the Q&A part. Now, for instance, I run a barbershop, so the Q&A part should be related to that. Now, for whatever reason, and I've seen this on a lot of businesses, some people take advantage of it, some people don't. So I've never really had anybody ask questions. I mean, I've got great reviews. I've had a lot of good feedback from other people in the area, but I've never explored that area. When I found out about it, I said, wow, this is something I need to tap into, because the other part of it is I can create sort of my own FAQ page, if you will. Now imagine what that can do for keywords with Google. So here we are, questions and answers. And again, if you scroll up, here it is here, Shapleton Woods Barbershop. We're going to go right into the Ask a Question. Now keep in mind it's a barbershop, so I'm interested in questions that relate to something somebody would have for the barbershop. If you're not sure what type of questions to ask, there is a really cool website you can explore, and that website is called answerthepublic.com. So all I did was put in men's haircuts. Answerthepublic.com gave me a handful of questions related to hair. And so what I did was I took those topics and I went ahead and asked some of my own questions based on that. This is a good reference site, by the way, guys, if you end up using it. Answerthepublic.com. A lot of really cool stuff on here. But anyways, going back to the Google My Business, and we're going to go ahead and click on Ask a Question. All right, your content will appear publicly. We already know this. So I kind of wrote some questions already, but I'm going to put them on here. Ask a question, get advice from the owner. Let's go ahead and paste. I'm just copying and pasting. What type of haircuts do you cut? So that's a great question somebody may have. What type of haircuts do you cut? Post. Your question was posted to the community, send to Google Maps, blah, blah, blah. Let's ask another. But before we do, see, now I can answer the question. Let's click the answer part, and I'm going to paste and post. So now we have a question and we have an answer, and let's go back and we want to add another question. Let's click Ask a Question, paste, and let's do an answer here. And we're going to ask one more question here. And this is really important because if you are an affiliate of a company and you've got a website, you may be selling product that maybe is not coming from your store but somewhere else. You can essentially get commission based on that. So all I'm doing is funneling them then from here. I'm letting them know, yes, I'm going to sell product. I'll tell you what it is. But let me show you the answer to this. Answer, yes, we currently sell American Crew and Johnny B's, but to find a wider variety of product, we recommend you check out our website. And let's go ahead and put at, but now they get the idea of where to go. Let's go back to questions. Okay, so now when you go to the questions part, if you click here, see all three questions there, click on it, and you can see here, there's the question, there's the answer, there's the question, answer, and so forth. So this is a great thing that if you're not taking advantage of it, you should, because it's a great FAQ page. It's great for SEO, and if you need help building a business, I'm here. Thanks again, guys, for watching. See you real soon.